Fitcamx 2160P+Rear 1080p Dash Cam. OEM look, dual HD security for Tacoma. Frustrated with cheap dash cams that fail when you need them most? Endless fiddling with wires, dim footage, or missing crucial moments can leave you stressed and anxious. You shouldn't have to compromise clarity or safety just because your Tacoma is new. Feeling uncertain or unprotected on the road is exhausting, especially when every drive could be a missed opportunity to capture the unexpected. Crushing deadlines to protect your car, constant worry about accidents, and the fear of disputes make ordinary dash cams unbearable. Fuzzy video at night, confusing setups, or devices that die in extreme temperatures adds stress and frustration. Every trip becomes tense, every parking lot a gamble. The right solution isn't optional. It's essential to safeguard your vehicle and peace of mind. The Fitcamx 2160P+Rear 1080p Dash Cam is a game-changer for 2024 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma owners, offering OEM-style integration, dual HD recording, and app-controlled convenience. The front 4K Ultra HD camera captures sharp, detailed 2160p video, while the rear 1080p camera monitors behind your truck, perfect for reversing or recording traffic incidents. f1.6 wide aperture lenses and WDR technology ensure superior low-light performance, making night drives clear and safe. Loop recording and G-sensor functionality protect key files, automatically locking important footage during collisions. Built-in Wi-Fi and the Fitcamx app let you preview, download, and share video instantly, while the included 128GB microSD card provides ample storage out of the box. Supercapacitor technology replaces fragile batteries, ensuring longevity in hot or cold climates. Mini story: one TRD off-road owner credited the dash cam with saving crucial evidence after a parking lot door ding incident. The G-sensor automatically locked the clip, preserving proof of the event. Designed for plug-and-play installation with no trimming or wiring splices, this dash cam looks factory-installed, keeping your Tacoma clean, professional, and secure. Beyond protection, the Fitcamx Dash Cam transforms your driving experience. Experts call it the pinnacle of OEM-integrated dash cams, praising its clean, factory-style look and dual HD recording. Toyota enthusiasts highlight how easy the setup is. Just a trim removal, cable routing, and you're ready. Industry analysts note the clever combination of 4K front, 1080p rear, loop recording, and G-sensor features ensures every moment is captured and preserved. Real users share glowing experiences. Video quality is crystal clear, day or night, and the Wi-Fi app lets me save clips instantly, says one Tacoma SR5 owner. Another adds, installation took just 15 minutes, and it looks completely stock. No messy wires, no suction cups. The rugged ABS+PC construction and supercapacitor power source handle extreme heat and cold without worry. Night drives, off-road adventures, and city commutes all benefit from superior clarity, discreet design, and automatic protection. The Fitcamx Dash Cam also supports quick access to footage for insurance claims, disputes, or peace of mind. With front 2160p Ultra HD, rear 1080p, Wi-Fi app control, G-sensor, loop recording, OEM-style aesthetics, and pre-installed 128GB storage, it blends convenience, durability, and professional-grade protection into a single seamless solution. Don't leave your Tacoma unprotected. The Fitcamx 2160P+Rear 1080p Dash Cam is ready to capture every detail of your drive. Limited stock means you need to act fast. Secure yours today and join thousands of Tacoma owners already enjoying crystal-clear dual HD coverage. OEM-style integration, 4K front recording, rear monitoring, G-sensor, loop recording, and Wi-Fi app control make it a complete package. Act now, protect your investment, and drive with confidence knowing every journey is recorded with clarity and style.